Hi, Stars. You're welcome to the channel where we talk about entrepreneurship, making money online, and working from home. All right, stay in the series of businesses you can start with zero capital, and I've already made the first part of this video. So after this, you can still watch that. It's 10 businesses, 10 profitable businesses you can start with zero capital, and I've mentioned 5 already. So this is the continuation of that video. It's very possible for you to start up a business without money. Yeah, it's very possible. All you need is your creativity, your smartphone, and being consistent. That is what you need, and you start cashing out. You get funds to do other things. Yes, I have learned this, I've done it, I've experienced it, and I'm here to show you and share some of these businesses with you. Some of the businesses are businesses that you've not even heard of. Let's start with the first one: drop services. Drop services. This is not drop shipping, is drop services. So this is how drop services work. What you need to do is to find clients that are in need of services, any kind of services at all. It could be editing, painting, shipping, transportation, whichever services that you think anyone might need. What you need to do is to search for clients that are in need of these services. Once you get your client, you outsource. What do I mean by outsourcing? You search for people that are doing these things, get the job, give it to those that are professional in this field. They do the job, you pay them, and you collect part of the money as your own. So in this case, you're not doing the job, you are only managing the project, and you still make money. So let's take, for instance, your client actually gave you a job of $100. You outsource, let's say it's video editing, you outsource a video editor, pay the video editor $40 or $30, and the remaining $70 or $60 becomes yours. So this time you're not doing the job, you're only managing the project and making profits. It's easy. You can take as many tasks as possible. You can look for as many services as possible. What you need to do is to set up your page for the niche you want. If it's content creation and you are to outsource clients for content creators, you set up your Facebook page, your Instagram page, your TikTok page with that profile. You can as well set up your LinkedIn page. LinkedIn is a professional platform. So you set up, when people ask you, when brands, businesses approach you for these services, all you need to do is to outsource. It's applicable in all services. It could be transportation, it could be graphics, graphic design, video editing, voiceover. All of this, you don't need to do the job. You don't need to know how to do the job yourself. All you need to do is to manage these projects. Have you done this kind of business before? Have you done drop services before? This is not drop shipping. It's different from drop shipping. Have you done drop services before? Let me know in the comment section. All right. So if you've watched the video up to now, just give this video a like. It will make more people get to know this video. And you know what? I'm going to be sharing a bonus tip at the end of this video. So make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss out the bonus tip on how to turn this business idea into a steady income source. Let's move to the second one. The second is voiceover services. So I started this business, was it last year? Yes, where I do voiceover on video. Though mine is voiceover and editing. Like I help you edit your videos, for your promotional videos, for your ads, for your church ad, Facebook ads, whichever ads you want to use it for. I do a voiceover on it and I send it to you, and I charge huge. This is something that you can do. All you need is your voice and free editing tools. This is not something that is difficult. You don't need money to start this kind of business. This is a business you can start with zero capital. I love this so much, and I'm saying it with so much passion is because I started this business last year where I create videos for brands, for people, for churches, and do voiceover on it, and they use it for their adverts. All you need is your voice, a quiet space, and you do videos like this. Is something that people are in need of, especially now that video content is paving ways for businesses. Some of business owners can't do voiceover, they can't do these videos themselves, so they will need you. What you need to do is to go to ChatGPT and set up your page as a professional voiceover artist and start posting your work. You can start by doing free jobs. When I started by doing free jobs for my dad's church, and now I get back to back gigs for voiceover and promotional videos. This is something that you can do. So set up your page and start reaching out to people. Let people know that this is what you do. Start with free jobs. You can just do free jobs for anybody, your friends, your family, and get the reviews for your business. And over time, start earning from it. Do you know of anyone that does voiceover services? Let me know. Have you heard about this business idea before? Is this something that you would try? Let me know in the comment section. While we move to the third one, digital services is another interesting one that I love so much, right? So with Canva, you can create digital products like planners, ebooks, templates, and sell to people on your online space. That is the reason why in the previous video I mentioned that you should create a YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram page, TikTok page, or a LinkedIn page. There should be a platform where you're showcasing all of this. You need a platform to showcase all of this. While you're posting on your stories, you're also posting on your timeline. Digital services are something that people are in need of. People are looking for business planners. Content creators are looking for planners. Business owners are looking for planners. So with Canva, you can do this. It's very, very easy. If you want me to make a video on how to use Canva, then you should let me know in the comment section. I've done that before, but I'm willing to do this because I want you to secure the bag this year. I want you to have something you're doing, right? I made a video about 10 profitable businesses you can start with $100 or less, and you guys requested for the ones you can start with zero capital. That's why I'm making this video. And I said, for this particular business that you're starting with zero capital, all you need is your smartphone. You need yourself. You need to be consistent, and your creativity. Think of possible ways to convert what you know to making money. And that is why I'm giving you all these ideas. Let me know from the first video to this one, which of these ideas would you try? If you have any difficulty, drop it in the comment section. I'm here to create content for you on how to make these things easier. If you want a one-on-one section, you can reach out to me on Instagram at Rachael Naabon, the name on the screen as you're seeing it right now. You can reach out to me and I'll do it for you. Very, very easy. We move to the next, which is having a broadcast channel or WhatsApp TV. This is something that a lot of businesses are using now. There are a lot of business owners, like people that just started business and they don't have the audience. But there are people that have already created broadcast channel. There are people that have created WhatsApp TV. They have this audience. So they help them promote their product and they get paid for it. This is the kind of business that you too can start. Okay, what you need to do is to create a WhatsApp TV. Think of the niche that you want to talk about so you know the brands and businesses that will approach you. Do you want to talk about celebrity gossip? Do you want your WhatsApp TV to be about business tips? Do you want it to be about fashion? Whatever niche you decide to pick, make sure you build the audience that are interested in that. Then when you've built this audience, what you need to do is to start promoting it. You promoting this, your WhatsApp TV, your broadcast channel, promoting it and targeting the kind of business owners that you want. This business owner pays you and you post on your status. With that, you make money. There is so much money on the internet. You're just one missing out. And this year, I don't want that to happen. That's why I keep creating content like this. All right, so that is the last. So I finally shared 10 profitable businesses you can start with zero capital. So of all these 10, which one would you want to start? All right, before I end the video for today, I promise you a bonus tip for the end of this video. And the bonus tip is, this is it. Content is everything. Of all the businesses, anyone you pick, create content around it. Content marketing is what will get you to have the audience, the clients that you want. If I hadn't made this video, you will not hear me. So this is a way of positioning myself as an expert, that I know these things, so I'm teaching you. So what you need to do too is to create content around what you're talking about, the particular business you've picked. Create content around it as an expert, so people can trust you and patronize you. This is how you make money off it. Secondly, you need to be consistent. I always preach consistency on this page. If you're starting up this kind of business, it's not something that you try weeks and you're gone, a year and you're gone. You have to keep showing up. Keep showing up for yourself, keep showing up for your audience, and over time you will grow, you'll make money from it. So these are the few tips I thought of sharing with you today. Until I come your way again, you can check out all of my videos and follow me on Instagram at Rachael Bryan. For now, bye.